Kingyo, Migori, Homa Bay, Kisii, those counties ntie opportunity ma agro-processing. Lakini kama wabeteni, pokwa utilize this opportunity. Okinyal ruako wendo moa oko mondo invest ka okingi wendo ka okingi ngama already is in that county as an investor. And catch a lot of conversation. Remember, Kane counties no chako, counties mangen no chako what we call investment forums. The investment forums indeed nagin very good idea. There are very, very good ideas to tourism. One county to specialize in education, one county to attract investment in manufacturing, another county to attract investment in hospitals, particularly medical hub, so that the investment nyalo spread within the Nyanza region and within the Nyanza counties effectively. Sani kila ngatu piem, odwane yo team tourism, odwane yo team odwane yo ket hospital, odwane yo ket manufacturing. To samodu wakamano, onge enough land for manufacturing. There is no enough land. While in another county, yes, there is enough land. Samongi yokamano, onge enough land for agriculture. There may be enough land, but it's not arable land. Koro magi gik monego wangi, mondo waki opportunity mar current investors, the new investors, mondo med pesa manyalo spur economic growth in those regions.